Happy New Year's, everyone, and welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to be preparing for you a meal prep. So we're going to be cooking a lot of food, batch cooking today. So let me get started. So hope you're ready. Today I'm doing a meal prep. I have some salmon here, a lenta salmon that I'm going to cook. I have added some sea salt and some black pepper to the salmon. And then over here I have a sirloin steak that I'm going to be cooking. I have added some sea salt and some black pepper on the steak here. I first made sure that I dried the steak off, and then I added the salt. So I'm going to allow this to sit out for at least 15 minutes before I cook it, so hopefully it becomes room temperature. I have some greens in this pot here, so I'm cooking up those with some neck bones, turkey neck bones. If I can see it, it's too hot for this. I'm going to put my camera. Some avocado oil in the pan. Avocado oil, add to the skillet. Alright, I'm going to add the rosemary in the pan. This is rosemary salmon. Also add some garlic. Okay, I added the garlic to the pan. It smells so good in here. Salmon looks delicious. The salmon is going to be so juicy and moist. And it's a really simple dish that doesn't take much effort at all. This is rosemary salmon, rosemary and garlic salmon. Really good. Okay, I got this steak in the pan. I'm going to take this garlic out. It's burn a little bit, and I'll just burn it. Another rosemary in and another clove of garlic. Okay, I'm going to turn it over. Flip it away from me. There we go. This rosemary and garlic salmon is so good and so juicy and tasty. You can taste the rosemary and the garlic throughout the fish. It's really good. And this is my salad I'm having with my rosemary garlic salmon today. This is a test recipe I've been working on. So pretty soon I will post it because the chocolate muffins are moist, tasty, and just really, really good. And there's a cream frosting on the top of them. I didn't do a very good job of frosting them, so I have been working hard on practicing how to do better frosting things. But I mean, it doesn't take away from the taste. Now, I use 5 egg yolks, mixed it up with about a half a teaspoon of sea salt, and I placed the eye on medium low, and I took a spatula and just spread the egg yolks around in the pan. My favorite thing to do with this egg yolk is to make me some noodles. I love noodles, so this is my go-to noodle that I like to eat. I love eggs, so this is wonderful with pasta. Now you can also make the same recipe with the whole egg, but I like the way it looks when you only use the egg yolk in it. And I make really skinny pasta noodles. That way, whatever sauce I put on, this is really enough for me. So you can look up the macros on 5 egg yolks and see what it comes out to be. It's very low carb. And I cooked the eggs in butter. And see, there you have it. You got some noodles. Let me show you how good it looks on the plate. I just pick them up, put them on a plate. You put your favorite sauce on them, and you got a great meal, whatever kind of sauce you want to put on them. So let me find a sauce that I would like to add to my plate. This is one of my favorite ones. I like the plain Alfredo sauce as well. And also I have made a video on how to make this sauce, but say for instance you in a hurry and you just want something quick for your family. So I'm just going to use a very small amount of the sauce for my noodles. I still have some of that sauce, some of that garlic Alfredo sauce left. So I'm going to turn the skillet on medium, start it. Notice I'm using the sauce, heat up some. It's going to be a yummy, delicious pasta dish for me today. Soaked up that sauce. And I'm going to add a little parsley to the pan. I wash and my parsley, then freeze it. Or I have parsley anytime I would like some. I do the same thing with my cilantro. This is my delicious pasta that I have on the plate here. Very low carbs, and it's delicious. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.